Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am back with another crisp quarantine content. Today we are going to be unboxing these, which are basically the most durable headphones that I have been recommended to by someone, and we're gonna test how good they are. These are the boAt BassHeads 225, and they retail at about 549 Indian rupees, which is about $7 approximately. So let's get started. Need a knife.
A few moments later.
Let's begin. It's not that sharp, to be honest. Pardon me, I'm not that good with opening packages. Okay, there we go. Okay, we can just put these aside. That's the only thing that you get in the package. These are very portable, it looks like. Okay, what do we have here? Polished metal, 3.5mm gold plated jack, 1 button mic, tangle free, all that stuff, and the back, super extra bass, 1 button microphone, hands free pickup, etc, etc, you know the drill. So yeah, let's get into it. BassHeads 225. Fuck. Yeah, there you go. I don't think we'll need this anymore. Alright, okay, straight away we get only two things in the package, that is the earphones itself, and I think so these are a few interchangeable tips and hooks too. Okay, I think we have a clip to put it on the clothes. 5 pairs of interchangeable tips according to your size, and the different colors too, which is great. And there are also these hooks, ear hooks that you can use. And finally there are the earphones itself. I like the flat wire design over here, so that's I don't think 100% tangle free, but it is tangle free up to some extent. And other than these, there's also a 1-year warranty card inside the box, which is helpful I think for the warranty part. The cable is pretty long, which is nice. Initial design judgments is it's a metal tip, which is really good, and it does fit properly for me. Yeah, so stepping that aside, I think we should listen to some music now, and let's then judge these earphones.
One eternity later.
So I've tested these out on a few songs, on a few different genres of songs too. A couple of things that I've noticed while using these. The first and foremost thing is you cannot listen to these at max volume. At max volume, the sound quality deteriorates a lot, and it's kind of hurtful to your ears. So I would recommend listening to songs or any of the things at medium or low volume using these earphones. I think because it has BassHeads in its name, I expected more, but I would give it a 7 out of 10 for the bass, and the rest of the sound quality is pretty good. It would be a decent headphones at medium volume, of course, which I would rate as again a 7 out of 10. Which is a decent rating at this price point, to be honest. If you're looking for actual music quality, like high class music quality, I think you should go for something at a higher price point. But at this price point of 549, I think so these are pretty decent to be used. Also, I like the angle jack, because this is useful when you are sleeping with your phone in your hands, and this angle jack can help you adjust yourself. And if they last more than a year or more than 2 years for me, they are pretty good for me, to be honest. That's the overall rating, that's the overall unboxing of these boAt BassHeads 225. I'll have a link in the description linking to these on the Amazon website. And yeah, that's pretty much in the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. Until then, peace out guys.